All right, so we're gonna work on the hamstrings in this session. So the hamstrings are made up of three muscles, two on the inside and one that kind of interfaces a little bit with the IT band. So you don't want to directly roll on the IT band, but get nice and close and kind of hit that biceps femoris there. So when you are rolling the hamstrings, you can kind of start off with two legs if you like. Just kind of get that muscle nice and warmed up, nice and supple. But then if you really want to kind of focus the roll and increase the intensity, you can either go into some partial weight bearing, single leg, and just crossing the hamstring, rolling that leg back and forth on the roller. If you find a good spot, you can kind of search and destroy. And then you can even put the other leg on top and really get in deep. Work that hamstring, but at the same time, to really target that outside hamstring, you can kind of roll your body over and work it through, but at the same time, just getting close to the IT band, but not targeting it.